So there are times when you want to be able to determine if something's in a working directory before you do something with it. And we can do that very easily using the table application in working directory or in working command. And what this is basically going to do is it's going to just verify, is there this particular reference or file in the working directory, and then write it out as a result. So we're going to write this to a table that is actually being created ahead of this, and by default it's going to take the active model. So if we say run this, you'll notice that it says, okay, yeah, the item name, which is the active assembly here, is in the working directory. So let's put in like junk.prt, and this is something that doesn't exist, so we should get a false. Or you can actually come in and say, do I have any PRT files in the working directory? And in this particular case, it would be yes, we do, obviously. Or we could say, do we have any ASM files? And if we run that, it'll come back and, of course, tell us that, yeah, there's an ASM file there. Another nice thing you do is you could also look for other files, for example, like XLS star. And let's see if there's any Excel files in the working directory, and there are in this particular case. So you wouldn't see that type of file if you just opened up Creo, but if you did look at the actual contents, we could see that there are Excel files within the working directory there too. So very powerful command and very useful. And you can use this to also, with Power Query to kind of evaluate content from like other systems. So if you had a bill of materials or something, or a list of components from ERP that you needed to verify that the content was all in the working directory before you did anything, be a great example of how to do that.